What I know is that the economy might be slowing down, but that does not mean that your store has to. Do not accept that as a fact. Instead, the key is to control what you can and to adapt strategically. Hey. Hello there, Richer Retailer family. Welcome back to the Richer Retailer, where I get very excited about themes that I know can help you, that can really serve you, that are actionable things that will make a difference in your store and your life today. I did an episode with this great question about how do I scale if I'm in the red? And I felt that question so much because that question resonated with me so much because I had big dreams and I wanted to keep moving forward no matter what. But then my Millie moment was learning what the right order to do things in. And so I answered that question. So another retailer asked how to continue growing with an economy that's in decline. And the short answer is that regardless of whether or not you agree with her that the economy is in decline, what I know is that the economy might be slowing down, but that does not mean that your store has to. Do not accept that as a fact. Instead, the key is to control what you can and to adapt strategically. But do not let any outside factors determine what your results are going to be. You have more control over things than you think you do. And frankly, that is all that you can do, right? So what's one thing you can do? Well, you can dial in your inventory. Every single dollar counts. So make sure you're stocking what's really selling. Take time to look into that. Look at what your best sellers are and make sure that you're not tying any cash up into slow movers. They're just taking up space in your store and not paying rent. So we got to move them out, right? The other thing to do is to double down on loyal customers. They already love you. What can you do for them? How can you serve them additionally during this time? Could you do a book club just for them? Sure, do personal outreach to keep them coming back in. Just send them a text, send them an email, call them up and just say you're thinking of them and you'd love to see them. But double down on those loyal customers and use your team to think outside of the box. Think like there is no box, as one client used to always say to me. And listen, we're still in the era right now where we're worrying about tariffs and whatever, but I'm telling you, and we have a whole episode about tariffs that will link right here. And I'm telling you that rising costs are real, right? But there are ways to navigate them. And we covered this in depth in episode 22 of the Richer Retailer podcast. And it's definitely worth a listen because the fact is you can tariff-proof your store. You can. And again, there are actions you can take to change your results. I wouldn't be serving you if I didn't tell you that we help store owners make smart, data-driven decisions and moves that keep them growing, even in tough times. So if you're feeling stuck, let's chat. We offer you in the show links, you can sign up for a game plan call where you walk away with a game plan for your store that's actionable as well as inspirational. So if we can be of any service, don't hesitate to reach out. And oh my goodness, if this episode has inspired you, encouraged you, or changed you in some way, I'd love to hear from you. Please, just take a few seconds and leave us a review. It means the world to me. You can connect with me over in our Facebook group at RETAILMavens. fb.com. Shoot me a DM. I cannot wait to meet you back here soon. Know that you are astonishingly fabulous and that you are loved beyond measure. Happy retailing. Bye-bye.